To use private save on Realme GT7 Pro, first let's open our settings. Inside we want to look for security and privacy and enter it. Then scroll all the way down and there's a private save. If you enter it for the first time, it will ask you for to create a privacy password and potentially also add the fingerprint. Now I've already done it, and here's my private save. We can add items from our files to any of those sections, for example audio files. Actually I have 0, let's go for images then. Then we can click on this plus button and add whichever photos we like. Let's just select them all and bring it to the private save. Now when they are here, you won't be able to see them normally in gallery or anywhere else. To access those files, you will need to enter private save again all throughout the settings, and then you will see them in the images and videos, and it goes for any other audio documents or other files.